5-story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include remote start, leather seats, technology package, towing package, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2019 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.